Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one of the best Faucet website. You can claim your free BTC from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website pay you 1 BTC every 5 minutes and 20 time claim per day. Okay, just put your wallet address, BTC wallet address, and click claim. Go to your Faucet pay, go to your deposit. Right now this website pay you least because of the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is right now very high. Okay, about that, this website pay you least. If the Bitcoin price come down, this website pay you much more. Okay, this one is a motor bus. Just clicking motor bus. Okay, available in these pictures, and just click next, and the next one too. Okay, this one, the last one, I click check and just click claim. Solve this captcha too. Okay, 5 is V, 9 is X, 1, and this one is okay. Please disable the ad block. Okay, disable the ad block and then reload the page. Okay, sorry about that, I didn't tell you about the ad block. And okay guys, and now you can see I solved the capture, and just I click get reward. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your Faucet pay, and you can see 1 BTC sent to my Faucet pay. Go to overview of dashboard, and I show you this website pay me instantly in my Faucet pay. Okay, this website link available in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos soon. Bye.